ating segment for today, no, for Dermo Republic, we started it with a throwback of one of our biggest, most memorable TikTok campaigns last year with Do It with Dermo. And it's not just because Do It with Dermo namin went viral last year. And it's not just because our Welcome to the Republic campaign left a mark at last time's Beauty Fest. But also because we have a lot of special stories to share.
What's up, Dermo besties? Are you ready to do it with Dermo?
Splash, spray, pat, swipe. Affordable skincare from morning till night. That's right. Dermo, Dermo, Dermo Republic. Dermo, Dermo, Dermo Republic. Splash, spray, pat, swipe. Affordable skincare from morning till night. You like Dermo, Dermo, Dermo Republic. Dermo, Dermo, Dermo Republic. Splash, spray, pat, swipe. Dermo Republic.
So, it also reminded us, no, as a brand, how far we've come from one hero serum, ang aming 5% niacinamide, to becoming TikTok's leading skincare brand.
I'm a student po and my course is BS in Entrepreneurship. Ako naman po, isa po akong full-time mom. Tinake advantage ko talaga yung pagiging TikTok affiliate para syempre makatulong din ako sa asawa ko.
Napagsasabay mo yung pagbabantay ng anak mo at the same time kumikita ka.
So good thing talaga, nakilala ko si Dermo Republic, lalong-lalo na yung serum nila. So nakatulong talaga siya sa akin, ibalik yung confidence ko.
Top sale ko talaga si Dermo Republic and nakabili na ako ng bahay.
Wow! Congrats! Kayo talaga
And ngayong year lang sasakyan.
Almost 8 years. Sino pang hindi mag-aakala na yung nasangla na bahay namin at lupa, ngayon po, natubos ko na. Nang dahil kay Dermo Republic at nakabili na rin po kami ng lupa.
2 years na po ako kay Dermo Republic. Nakikitira lang kami before sa lupa na pinagtatayuan ng bahay namin ngayon. Nabili ko na rin yung lupa. And also, napa-second floor ko na yung bahay. Yung pangarap kong motor dati is nabili ko na rin. Mga bills, pati mga pagkain. So, sobrang laking achievement talaga ni Dermo Republic sa akin. Kaya sobrang thankful ako.
Hi, CK!
Hi, Miss Gav. I'm part of the research and development team of Dermo Republic. So, yung day-to-day routine namin is a mix of laboratory works and research. So, based from the department name, Research and Development. Si Dermo Republic kasi is true to its core, yung slogan namin na science-based formulation that works. We have our own internal laboratory where we perform different trials, testings, analysis, and of course, yung mix naman ng research, ibig sabihin, nagbabasa kami ng mga studies, mga published journals, na kung saan doon namin malalaman na yung mga active ingredients na ginagamit namin is really good or fit doon sa product na ipo-formulate namin. With the help of our quality team, we are making sure that before the product reaches or touches your skin, it's safe and effective.
So whether you're a skincare enthusiast or aspiring creator ka or affiliate, you really deserve beauty that's backed by science. So as we continue to grow and innovate and explore new possibilities beyond skincare, one thing will always remain for us at Dermo Republic. And that is our dedication to creating products that empower every Filipino to confidently own your beautiful. Because at Dermo Republic, when science works, again, confidence follows. That is why we'll always be committed to delivering science-based formulations that works. Thank you so much, TikTok Beauty Fest. We'll see you at the booth.